So let's start it. We're gonna start with the customer experience, on what the customer experience when they get into the website. This is the landing page for someone who's not logged in. So they get to know more about the business, they get to see more on what you do. All this stuff is configurable. The content of the text and the images are configurable. And then going down, if they already have an idea of what they want, they can shop the featured categories over here. So clicking any of these categories will take them to the category section, or they can shop some of the featured products, or they can get to learn more about the business, right? So now let's start by them shopping by clicking category or clicking shop now. So shop now will take you to the page where you can explore the list of products that we have in the system. This system is dynamic, so if there is anything that is not here, please feel free to go ahead and create it. I'll show you now how to create it after I'm done with the customer. So we have two types of products. There are simple products and customizable products like this t-shirt. Let's start with the simple product. This one is a product that the customer cannot change the design of the logo. It's already designed with this large logo over here. So they can choose different colors, they can choose different sizes based on their user preferences, and they can be able to change quantity, and they can go to cart, they can add to cart. And you can see we have two items that are equal to 500 rands, and the shipping will be calculated on checkout. There are two things that I can do right now. I can either add more items, or I can go ahead and check out either one. So let's say I just wanted this, or I want some pens, right? Let me go check some pens. I can go to categories. So since now I already know that I want pens, the categories, that's where they come to play. I can go to pens and select the pens that I have. I can see the couple of options here. So I will pick this one. Let me just double check how my hoodie looks like. So let me just pick the white ones rather. And also I'll choose extra large, and I want two of these, or I want one of these, and add to cart as well. Right, now that I've added to carts, I can adjust this and say, hey, I want one there as well. Now my order is 500, and I can hit checkout. So upon hitting checkout, now I can fill in my information. I can see the summary here. The shipping is not calculated yet. So let's say I hit place order. You can see that the forms get validated. I need to select this. So let me just select here. I will choose the 3 to 5 days. Now you can see the updated cards there. And if I change the price, it's calculated accordingly. Or if it's a collect, then it doesn't charge. I will leave it there 3 days. And then I will right. And then here I can either choose the online payment, or I can choose the direct transfer. For this order, I would like to pay with the direct transfer. So I will hit direct transfer. As soon as I hit direct transfer, I get a notice, payment information. To complete this order via the direct transfer, please follow the steps. Make the total amount to the following bank account details. After making it, email it to this email address. Then your order will be processed upon verification. Please allow 6 days for processing and confirmation. This notice here is showing for all the orders. It's either it's a cash or it's a card one. But you see, the card payment does not have any notice, only this one. I will show you what I mean by that. Then I can go ahead and hit place order. Since this is the cash order, the order has been placed, and here is the summary of the order. Then let me just hit continue shopping. And then if I hit continue shopping, I basically get sent to the screen. Actually, it should be track order, where I can track the order. Right now, the order has been placed. There is nothing happened yet, so I can go back. Okay. So that's the flow of the customer. And if you have noticed, this person is not logged in. That was just a guest, right? So let's place another order. But now I want to create an account first. So I'll go ahead and sign up in the system. And then when I sign up, I'll sign up as John Doe. No, John Doe at example.com. And then I'll choose the password and create the account. So now I've created the account, and then I'm taken to the shop page, right? If I hit the account now, I can see that I'm logged in, and I do have the option to log out. So I can hit log out, and now I'm logged out, and I can log in again. And then I can edit my profile, right? So now I can put more information here. So let me put the address and everything and hit update profile. So now you can see that I have the profile that is updated, and at this point I do not have any orders in the order history. Okay, so now let me shop as someone who's already logged in. So let me just go back to shop, and then this time around let me just buy and customize a t-shirt. As you can see, whenever I'm opening a product, the first options are already selected. For instance, it's yellow. I can change this to black. I can change this to white. And then I can also change the size, and I can change the logo. And we also added these Mollo logos now. I believe I added all of them. If I left something, please let me know. Okay, so let me go with this purple classic Mollo logo, and then I want it medium, right, or large. Medium is good. So and then I can add to cart these products over here, right? So now you can see that I chose the white one. Size is large. This is the logo I chose. I want the medium and I want the center. So the admin needs to understand what this information means over here. If we need some assistance with that, you can just go ahead and select different options and print those and put them as the guide to your staff members. Okay, so I will hit checkout now. Now that I'm already logged in, you can see now the system recognizes that I'm logged in. Hey, John Doe, please confirm your contacts and delivery information. Right. This is my contacts and delivery information is correct as per my profile. And then if I attempt to place order, you can see that it's saying please scroll up and fix the problems, and the problem is this one here. So I need to choose the shipping. Right now everything is good, and I will leave this one as the online payment and click place order. So now I'm placing an order, and I'm redirected to make the online payment. At this point I'm using the testing mode in the system. This is why I'm able to get to this screen here for model trading, but it's the testing screen. So they are telling me that I can use this card number. So this is just to see that how the system handles the online payments in the real world. So it's going to behave that exactly the same way, besides that the user will be putting their actual card number here, and it's going to be actually taking the money to their account, and it's going to be actually accrediting your card. So now I'm making the payment. Payment is processing with the card. The payment was successful, and then now I'm returned to the Mollo Clothing website with the order place message. And now if I hit continue shopping again, I'm going to be brought to the screen here. If I hit back, I'm going to be brought back to my profile. But now wait, I have an order that I just placed, right? So that's how I get back to this tracking screen here, because I can track the orders. For now, I can see all the information about the order, and the status is just placed. Nothing has changed yet. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back to my account and log out as the customer. I'm done with the customer. Now I'm gonna log in as the admin. So these are the details to log in with the admin. They will be sent to you privately. I'm not gonna share it here because it's a public video. And then I will say I will log in. The system knows your credentials. Did you notice that the behavior is different when the customer is logging in and when we are logging in as the admin? The system knows that you are the admin. Like I mentioned before, The system is capable of adding and changing the products. So if you feel like I missed any products here, please go ahead and click add products, give it a name, give it a category, give it an image. Let me just quickly check if there is any products that I can be able to add. Modeling. Okay, let's just try to browse through. The hoodies are all added. I tried to group everything into folders, the ones that are groupable. Okay, so maybe this one here. Let's see if we can add this product. Let's open this one here. So this is a hoodie, right? This is a hoodie. So let's say you feel like I missed this hoodie and I missed this pants, right? You can go ahead and add those into the system. If it's not there, things are categorized so that they are not duplicates. So I'm gonna leave that one to you and go ahead and add this one rather, this black t-shirts, okay? Because it's simpler and the product is easy to add. Okay, so I'll go ahead and say Mollo cards t-shirts, right? And then I will put it under t-shirts. I will leave the description. I will say it's not featured. I will put the price 180 rands. I can ignore the quantity and save. So now if I go to categories and go to t-shirts, you can see that the t-shirt is actually there. So it is that easy. And if I were to log out and go to the categories and shop t-shirts, the t-shirt is there, right? But the t-shirt does not have category, does not have proper options. So I can go back to the t-shirts. Like I said, easier way to browse and find products if you categorize them is to find them in their groups. You can add more groups there if you need to. So this is the tutorial so that in the future you're going to be able to manage these things easily. So I made this thing easy for you. Let me just add in color here, and then let's add in a value. Okay, we can just say this is black for now because I only see black, and can actually just put really the same color, you know, in the same image. And add another option, size. You see now when I click there, this thing automatically populate for you because these are common. And if I say add value, so you don't have to worry much, you can see that it's already adding all the values for you. The only thing you need to populate is the colors because I can't guess, but I can guess the values. So I already guessed them. Then if you hit save, then we are good to go. So if I go back to my t-shirts, you can see that it is actually sorted. You know, like now I can properly shop this thing over here. I'm already logged in. You notice that if I click the account, I'm just getting directed straight to my admin dashboard. So that's how it's going to be easy for you to manage the stuff. So let's go to orders. These are the orders that are placed before, but you can see that this is the order for John Doe that I just placed now, right? And this is the order for Ndumiso that I placed before. That's one. Order placed. I can put it into progress. This customer was a guest. They're not going to get to track the order, but they will get notifications. But this one here has an account, John Doe. So if I say now your order is in progress, you will see that I also get the tracking underneath there that the order was put into progress at 8 minutes past 7. Let me go out and log in as John again, John Doe. I forgot my credentials for John Doe, but I will sort that out just now. So now it's 7, it's 9 past. Let's move this to on the way. So let's say it was the order that is already there. So you can see the tracking here. That's when the stuff change, and then this will help a lot to see how orders are moving. So I would log out now and log in as John Doe. Hi Frankie, I forgot my credentials. What the hell? Credentials. It's a pity. Probably the email got updated when I was updating the profile. Let's try. Let's try using this email over here. There we go. I'm in. So my email got updated. I would like to change that back to John Doe so that leave that for now. So now, if I go to the order, I can see that the status, my order is on the way now. And mind you, I also got the emails. It's just that I'm using damn emails right now. So it's a little bit tricky to show you the emails for this order. But here's my order and I can see the progress. So that means as a customer, I can track the order and I can see the emails. The emails go two ways. You as an admin also get the emails. So I can quickly show that you that now. We're gonna set up your emails as soon as possible, so then you can be able to get these notifications directed to your phone. Okay, so let's go ahead and check out the email accounts. Info. Let's check the info. I will open the mailbox. So you can see that I have bunch of orders notification. As I'm testing, I'm getting those. Let me allow. You can see this is the order that's for the sweater and the track pants and the customer information. This is the order for the sweater. So there are a couple of them that are coming through. So you're going to be getting notified with all the orders as well. And you will also be checking your system on regular basis. Right. So now the customer can track the order. I will hit logout and then John, it's example. See. And let me try to update my profile. So now I can easily change my details back to what they were. And my addresses here, I can also change it. And now, let's log out and just check out as well the mobile application of the app. Just refresh everything here. On the mobile view, the app as well works like a charm. It is mainly optimized for a mobile. The menu is responsive. If I click my account, check that one out later. Something is hiding the menu there, but I'll check it out. It's okay. If I click my account now, I'll log in with a different user. You notice there that there was some orders for Ndumiso as well. So this is the user that I've been using to test, and I have a couple of orders under my account. I have order 14, 15, and so on and so on. So I can track them all. So for instance, this is in progress, on the way, in progress. Let's see the one that is on the way. You can see that I see all the history over here of what happened. I place it at 5 minutes past 4. Right away it was in progress. Then right away after 1 minute it was moved to on the way and complete. Then I was just messing around here. This is why the status are removed, are reversed. Okay. So that's pretty much about the customer. And then there is more work on the, or rather there is more on the admin side of things. So you have to play around with it. Like products are obvious. If you have new products and stuff, you have to add here. If there is a new product that you don't see here, please just add it here. And then in the settings, there are a couple of things to note. You can always go ahead and put your correct address there. I don't have it right now. And then I configure a lot of other things. These are just about emails. If you are sending emails to people, what you want the from email to be. Usually the companies use don't reply. So this is why we put that over there. And then this is the order prefix. You notice that all the order numbers, it starts with order. For instance, oh God, only the customer can see the order number. I will update that before you know it. I just need to add the order number there. They start with order slash. So you just put that here. If you want to change it, maybe you want to start with Mollo or something, you can put that. When the order was placing the order, there was a notice there. This is the notice. You can always change it here and the text will reflect accordingly when someone is placing an order. This tab is not dangerous at all. You can always play around with it. I wouldn't advise to play around with pages, but this part here is really just the settings of the website. The social medias, you can send them to me. If you already have them, you can go to the system and paste your Facebook link and your TikTok link over there and your correct Instagram link, since this is still referring to Twitter. And then I use weight for shipping. I said no, we're not using weight for shipping. And then we have our own delivery fees in the system. You saw the user having some drop downs there. You can configure these ones and change the pricing here. And then the user will have the options accordingly to the drop down. You can delete, you can add a new one there. I can show you a quick example of that. For instance, if I were to come here and say I also have postnet, same day at 250, then you need to scroll down and save. You can always refresh the page to double check. You see it's there. So now, if I were to open another browser, let me just open Firefox and go to Mollo Clothing. I already have something in the cart, so let me just go ahead and check out. Now you can see that here I have postnet same day. All these drop downs now are coming from here. They are coming from these settings here. So you have full control over this. If I say this notice is coming from there, so if you see that 6 days is not enough or it's too much, you can just always go up there and change that, right? So those are configurations. What else? I'm using demo mode right now. you will see that if I were to click online payment and place order, to go back and log in first. Let's log out. Okay, this is not the latest. Just log out and log in as me. Okay, then I will go back and check out. It's easier that way because this thing just get populated. And I will choose this postnet. Now my order is 790. Okay, and then I will go ahead. So now you see demo mode. Under payment options, I enabled Dioko. I enabled cash transfer. Hence, you see, if I had this, I lose that section to configure my banking details, right? So these banking details are the ones again that actually show there. As you can see, these are the banking details. You can always update them here if you're changing the bank or something. And then these are your code details. Demo mode, this allows us to test the payment. So if you disable it and save, now that means the payments are real. Now payments are real. If I were to click this and place order, now payments are real. Okay, let's go back. Click this, no, check this and save. And just double check that this thing saved. Demo mode is unchecked now. Okay, and then let's just refresh here just to make sure that we have the latest settings. Okay, yeah, now payments are real. Now you can see that that demo thing is gone. I'm no longer paying with the demo account or demo card. This is the actual payment. Then now you can see that I actually have more options now. If I want, I can log in with my bank and do the EFT here, do the instant EFT here. So now I can't continue with this. This is why I have that on, because without having that thing on, I wouldn't be able to show you. But right now, it's up to you. If you want to test, if you still want to test the experience, please go to your settings and enable this, save, refresh your page, and then make sure that everything is up to date. And like I said, there are not a lot, but these are more important ones. These are very important settings. These are very important settings. Then let's get rid of this one and hit save. Then now we can refresh and see that it is gone. You see, so these are very important settings. Other than that, really, oh, it's gallery. The gallery is for showcasing. If you have new pictures to add, just come here and add a new picture and save. All the logos that appears as the options are here. If there is something that I missed in this one, please let me know, because I need to remove the background first before I put it. But other stuff, it doesn't matter even if they have the background. Okay, so I believe that's pretty much it. That the user experience of the app, and yeah, please let me know if you have any feedback or you want us to meet and discuss other things directly on the phone. But yeah, this is what we got, and it works fluently and nicely. So yeah, let me know. Thank you.